102.7 FM.
About 137,000 Bitcoin is about to hit the market beginning from August until October. So what happened was, for people that are new to the crypto space, around 2013, there was an exchange called Mt.Gox. And on that exchange, it was the exchange you go to. It had 70% of Bitcoin trades. So if you wanted to trade Bitcoin, you would go there. But by the end of 2013, beginning of 2014, a lot of problems happened. Their private key was stolen, and they lost 750,000 Bitcoin from users and even 100,000 Bitcoin of their own. And so they went into a very lengthy...
It's a lot of money, right?
Yes.
I mean, yeah, in nowadays terms, it's how much? It's like 18 billion of...
Like a small state.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
To buy an island.
Yeah, very much money, yeah.
So yeah, they filed for bankruptcy, of course, and went through a lengthy proceeding with the Tokyo District Council. And so the result of that was that they've managed to retrieve 200,000 Bitcoin, and the investors, or let's say traders on that platform, are getting 137,000 of those Bitcoins back. So we'll see that those Bitcoins be paid out from August until October, and who knows what people are gonna do with those.
Yeah, this is a lot of money again.
Yes.
I mean, this is like over 3 billion value.
Yeah.
So if this goes, if people start selling, anything can happen. What do you think is going to happen? Huh?
Definitely.
Imagine that pump and dump.
Yeah.
What would that be?
I think there's a lot of opinions. Like, on one hand, those people, by around 2013, Bitcoin was $1,000. It's what, 23,000 now?
Yeah.
So those people, if they sell, they're cashing out big.
Yes.
But on the other hand, those are the people that bought Bitcoin at 1,000, so they were really into it.
Yeah, and they're early investors.
Definitely.
Yeah. So they have this maybe a faith in Bitcoin in general, because after all, Bitcoin is going up. If we take a long term, it's always growing.
Yeah, like we were saying just a bit ago, like we're in a kind of a low point, and it's showing signs of it going up. So I'm guessing those people might want to wait until they want to sell it.
Yeah.
We hope they will wait.
Because otherwise it can be really bad, But even Satoshi wrote that, he said once, every lost coin is a donation. And by that, he was saying that basically, if you lose some coins, you actually, it gets out of the market, and basically increases the value. And because Bitcoin has limited supply, I think about 21 million.
Yeah, the final supply is going to be 21 million.
Yes,
right now they're around 19.
Yeah, so basically, it will never be sold. So basically, it influences the market itself. But I don't think that people are so
short-sighted.
Yeah.
Short-sighted. Yeah.
I don't think they will sell it, because if they do sell it, it's like shooting in their own leg. So the last one to sell his part, it will be.
But it's a huge temptation. You can imagine that you invested something not too much, and then you one day you're a millionaire, and you really want that plane to buy
Lambo.
It. Yeah, but also the good question is how many of them received the coins. If it was around how much? Around
137,000.
137,000. If that's 137,000 people, so that's 1 Bitcoin per person. So if let's say if there are how many? Let's say how many people receive coins?
I don't know how many users there are. The amount of Bitcoin is 137,000 Bitcoin, but I don't know how many beneficiaries or
beneficiaries.
Yeah.
So the problem will be only if they all sold it at the same time, because then you'll have a large amount of Bitcoins at the market.
Yes, this is good thing that they are not giving them all at once, but we will have from August to September, October. Yeah, so it will be a little bit of time frame, so even if some people get panicked or would like to sell for any reason, it's not going to be that much as imagine everything in one day or a few days.